Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. All right. So basically, I'm going to make a video of how to automatically route tickets from a specific customer to a specific agent. All right. First up, go ahead and go to the top right and click on this application icon. Now go ahead over to Admin Center. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the left pane and click on Objects and Rules. Click on it. Now in here, just scroll down. All right, until you find business rules. And under that, go ahead and click on triggers. Just wait for it to load. All right, now once it loads, you're going to want to click on create trigger. Okay, click on it. Trigger name right here, maybe a route tickets to Ryan. A description, maybe route tickets from user to Ryan. All right, trigger category right here. If you don't have a routing, just go and click on create category. And category name right here is routing. Okay. Now let's go ahead and click on add conditions. Meet all of the following conditions. Okay. Click on it. Now select ticket. Again, ticket right here is value created. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add another condition. Category ticket. Now go ahead and select tags right here. Operator contains at least one of the following right here. Maybe route Ryan. Okay. Lowercase Ryan right there. Once that's done, go ahead and scroll down and tap on add actions right here. Select ticket once more. And go ahead and hit on assignee. Recipient right here is Ryan. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on create trigger and you're good to go. It says here, trigger created. Trigger route tickets to Ryan is active. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.